In this video, we'll be exploring the basic features of Microsoft Excel. When you first open Excel, you'll see a blank workbook on the screen. This is where you can begin creating and editing your spreadsheet. At the top of the screen, you'll see the Quick Access Toolbar, which is the only toolbar available in Excel versions 2010 and newer. In older versions, there were multiple toolbars available. Below the Quick Access Toolbar, you'll see tabs for various functions, such as Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, and Data. These tabs used to be called menu bars, which contained all the options available in Excel. Each tab has its own set of options, which are known as the ribbon. If you double-click on a tab, the ribbon will be hidden. You can bring it back by double-clicking on the tab again. On the right side of the screen, you'll see a small button. If you click on it, the ribbon will be minimized. To bring it back, simply double-click on the tab. Below the tabs, you'll see the name box, which shows the location of the cell where your cursor is currently located. It can also be used for named ranges, which we'll cover in a later video. Below the name box is the formula bar, where you can see and edit the formula for a cell. You can expand or minimize the formula bar by clicking on it. To the right of the formula bar, you'll see the column headings, labeled A, B, C, D, etc. If you click on a column heading, the entire column will be selected. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the row headings, numbered 1, 2, 3, etc. If you click on a row heading, the entire row will be selected. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the number of sheets available in your workbook. You can create additional sheets by clicking on the plus sign. To see the names of all the sheets at once, right-click on the small right arrow key at the bottom of the screen. This will open a dialog box with the names of all the sheets in your workbook. You can jump to a specific sheet by double-clicking on its name. To navigate your spreadsheet, you can use the scroll bars on the right side of the screen. The horizontal scroll bar moves the screen left and right, and the vertical scroll bar moves it up and down. At the top of the scroll bars, you'll see the zoom bar, which allows you to adjust the size of the cells on the screen. You can also use the buttons at the top of the screen to close, minimize, or maximize the window. The File button, located next to the Minimize button, allows you to create a new workbook, open an existing one, save your workbook, or save it with a different name or extension. In some versions of Excel, the File button is called the Office button. To enter data into a worksheet, simply place your cursor in a cell and start typing. To edit a cell, you can use the shortcut key F2 or double-click on the cell. A workbook is a collection of worksheets, and a range is a group of cells. To save your workbook, go to the File button and select Save As. Choose a location and name for your file, and select the desired extension, such as Excel for an Excel workbook or PID for a PDF document. Click Save to finish. I hope this helps you understand the basic elements of the Excel screen and how to use them. Thank you for watching.